Photosynthesis is the process by which plants convert sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into oxygen and glucose. During photosynthesis, plants use chlorophyll, a pigment in their leaves, to capture sunlight. Sunlight provides the energy needed for photosynthesis to occur. Water is absorbed by the roots and transported to the leaves through the plant's vascular system. Carbon dioxide enters the plant through tiny openings called stomata on the surface of leaves. Inside the chloroplasts of plant cells, sunlight energy is used to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. Glucose is a type of sugar that plants use as a source of energy for growth and development. Oxygen, a byproduct of photosynthesis, is released into the atmosphere through the stomata. Photosynthesis is essential for the survival of plants and plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of gases in the Earth's atmosphere. Understanding photosynthesis helps us appreciate the importance of plants in our ecosystem and the impact they have on our planet.